Hey, what's up, guys? Today's video, we're going to talk about people that are having trouble with their credit card debt and trying to figure out a way they can consolidate their credit card debt. But the first thing I want to talk about is if you have a family member um, that lost their job, or you know of someone that's struggling to pay their utility bills and stuff, you can reach out to 211 or 311. You can call either one of these numbers and they can help you with some emergency assistance to help get food for the family. It helps pay your utilities. It helps pay the rent, help get you temporary housing. So don't forget that using a 211 or 311, calling 211 or 311, that's a hotline. It's a government hotline that you can call, and they'll be able to give you some assistance, emergency assistance. So please be aware of that. A lot of people are not aware of it, and I appreciate if you share it in the community, because there's a lot of people that are struggling and you want to help them, but you don't know how to help them. And so calling 211 or 311 will definitely be able to get them some temporary assistance. Now, also, there's another one. You can go to your local community action agency. So say that your car break down and you need transportation to work or whatever. You can reach out to your community action agency and see if they're able to help you get your car fixed. Usually they have some type of program. If not to get your car fixed, there's some type of program that they can guide you to get your transportation back and forth to work. So that being said, the video that we're talking about today is best consolidated personal loans for bad credit, and this is personal loans up to $35,000. Hi, my name is Houston McMiller, and for those of you that are not aware, my company, Three-Way Funding, we're always the guys to help you figure out a way how to reduce your debt and how to make more money and lower your taxes. So that's what Three-Way Funding is about. But let's go over these top consolidated personal loans so that you can try to get yourself out of debt. Now, the first one is Op Loans. And the reason that Op Loans is starting to pop up a lot is because, like, they're internal. Most these here, their ratings and stuff are better than like a regular payday loan, because you go to payday loan, it's like 300% on a loan. And so with these here, they have other guidelines, so they're not charging you as much for as a loan versus with a payday loan. Okay, so keep that in mind. But OpLoan, they are an in-house lender, so they loan their own money or whatever, so they don't outsource. And their loans go from $500 to $5,000. The income that you have to get qualified is at least $1,000 after taxes. You have to have a bank account, and they want the bank account to be open at least 40 days. They may accept a new bank account, but again, some of their requirements is, as long as you have a bank account, they say at least 40 days, and the age of 18. Now, I would tell you this. There was a disabled veteran. He got qualified for a opt-in loan, and like I said, I told people that they don't check your credit because they already know you have bad credit. So why are they going to put more hard inquiries on you? So with opt-in loans, they don't check your personal credit. So what ends up happening is with this disabled veteran, when he applied for the loan, okay, knowing that he only had a 510 credit score, but they didn't check it. But what they did, like I said, he met the criteria they were looking for, and he had at least $1,000 income after taxes. He had a business bank account. He was over the age of 18. So, and most of these applications probably take you anywhere between 2 minutes to maybe three or 4 minutes to fill out. So it's not a long process, just giving them your information so they can check it and stuff. But these companies do not put a hard inquiry on your personal credit, because again, these companies understand you already have challenging credit. So for them to put in hard inquiry on your personal credit to see if you qualify, they don't do that. Now, some of them may, once you get approved for the loan, would have to do a hard inquiry. But applying for the loan, you don't have to worry about it. So it's okay to let them see if you qualify. So go ahead and apply to see if you qualify. And then if you qualify, of course, they'll give you a hard inquiry. But here's the good thing about it. If you get qualified for that loan, well, they're going to report it to your credit. And if you make the payments and stuff on time, then this is going to help build up your credit anyway, right? So keep in mind, it's not a hard inquiry on your credit, but for those of you that need a consolidated loan or you're trying to consolidate your bills and stuff like that, these are the best ones on the market that I've been checking and everything, okay? So that being said, we talked about op loans, right? So now the next one is cash advance. Who knew? Cash advance, they do from 500 to 10,000, and they pretty much mimic the same requirements, at least 1,000. With cash advance, like if you're on disability, welfare, receiving child support, again, if the income is over 1,000, then they're willing to work with you to help find a lender to loan you the money. Okay, so again, don't worry about the hard inquiry. They're just going to do a soft pull and make sure that you have everything intact, because mainly like with your name, your address, active email, phone number, just the basic stuff is what they're looking for to see if they can try to qualify you for the right lender or match you up with the right lender. And so for those of you that may need more than $5,000, then cash advance would be a good one. Bad credit loans is a good one as well, again, because you're not worried about a hard inquiry. So getting a consolidated loan to pay off some other bills and stuff like that, they may be able to help find you the right lender. And again, all of these is for bad personal credit. So if you have bad personal credit and you feel that, hey, I don't know where to go, these are the top ones that you can actually reach out to. And what I'll do, I'll put a link down in the description so that you can actually just apply. Like I said, you applying, you're not going to get a hard inquiry. A hard inquiry only is when you get approved. So that's the thing about it. And so most people get that mixed up. But when applying, they don't. They do, all of these do a soft inquiry on the credit. Some of them don't even do an inquiry on the credit at all when just applying or whatever, but they want the basic information so that way they can see if they can match you up with lenders, okay? Now, yeah, bad credit loans, they offer from 500 to 5,000. Then you have personal loans. Now with personal loans, they go from 500 up to 35,000. So if you have bad credit, but you know that, hey, I got a very good job and stuff, I just need to consolidate these high interest credit cards and everything, then personal loans may be your better fit. Like I said, and they go up to 35,000. Also with signature loans goes up to 35, from 500 up to 35,000. But if you want somebody just internal to apply for it, like I said, because they're not putting a hard inquiry on your credit, it's okay to just test them out. See which one of these 5 that actually help you. Okay, so it's no problem there. Again, with op loans, they're in-house, and like I said, the story about the disabled veteran, he was able to get qualified for a loan. So I'm pretty sure, and he's on disability, receiving government assistance. So they helped him. So I'm pretty sure if you're a disabled veteran or you're receiving a permanent disability or permanent income from the government, I'm pretty sure you should be able to qualify. So these are the 5: op loan, cash advance, bad credit loans, personal loans, signature loans. And again, I'll put the link in the description of the video so you'll know you can go direct. You click on the link, you go straight over there and fill out the application. So that way you're not trying to figure out online or whatever. No, I'm trying to simplify everything. Also, don't forget, again, if you have a family member or a friend that's struggling financially, that recently lost their job, they're struggling to pay the bills and everything, have them to reach out to 211 and 311. I think the reason I said 311 because some portions of the East Coast, they don't use 211, they use 311. So either one of these are government service phone numbers that you can call to get some type of financial assistance. All right. And then your community action agency is also a place that you can reach out to. Again, for you guys that may need money to fix your car and you don't have the means, and it's putting you in a financial burden or whatever, reach out to them and see if they can help you. That's what three-way funding is about. We're actually trying to find more resources to help the community, and we appreciate if you share our videos in any type of, if you apply for these loans, you get approved or whatever, your experiences or whatever, make a comment in the video so that way the community will know. All right, so this is Houston with three-way funding. I hope that this video is educational, informative, and please share and like it. And again, help the community, 211-311. And for you that need a consolidated loan for your high interest credit cards, or you just got a lot of bills and you rather just pay one bill or whatever, reach out to one of these different types of loan. I'll put the link in the description to help you. So I hope that this video helps you. This is Houston with three-way funding. Thank you.